Hey guys, it's me, Jim. I be known as Superboy. That's me, Superboy. I got this Superboy shirt, and then I got the sonic screwdriver. Everyone, I am Superboy. I be known as Connor Kent. What do you think? Gives me an idea. All I need is a glove. Here I am. I'm Superman's clone. Everyone, I am Superboy. This time I am Superboy for another. That's me, Superboy. The first Superboy that you see, that is me. I am Superboy! I got this shirt from Hot Topic, and then I am Superboy. Superman's clone. I'm asking you people to get me something for my birthday for the summer. June 26th. June 26th is where my birthday comes. I'll be turning 18. And that's why I'll be going to Las Vegas and Hollywood for my birthday for the summer. I'm asking you people to get me something for my birthday that I wanted, that is the camera, sonic screwdrivers, the Power Rangers morpher, the Batman costume, Superman, the Man of Steel costume, and all I need is some cosplay costumes. Cosplay. Everyone likes to cosplay, and I cosplaying as Superboy. That's me, Superboy. Superman's clone.